Being a racer is more than just riding a bike. It's a feeling deep in your heart and soul. One ride is all it takes to be hooked for life. 2 wheels, 1 engine, no limits. This is what life is about. Riding is an art, driven by the fire within you. Once you've raced, you never forget it. It stays with you forever. Champions aren't just winners. They are those who dare to try. Pain is temporary, but victory is forever. The miracle isn't finishing, it's having the courage to start. It's not how fast you go, but how long you keep going fast. If everything feels under control, you're not pushing hard enough. Winning is about struggle, effort, optimism, and never giving up.